Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will do some common and famous idioms and phrases. So let's start. First is to eat humble pie. To eat humble pie. It means to make an apology and accept humiliation. To build castle in the air. To build castle in the air. It means unrealistic plans and hopes for future. To blow one's own trumpet. To blow one's own trumpet means talk boastfully about one's own achievement. To end in smoke. To end in smoke means to come to nothing. To get into hot water. To get into hot water means in trouble or in difficult situation. Next is to go to the dogs. To go to the dogs means to be ruined or deteriorate. To leave no stone unturned. To leave no stone unturned means try every possible effort to achieve something. To lose heart. To lose heart means become discouraged. Next is to make both ends meet. To make both ends meet means earn just enough money to live on. To mind one's own business. To mind one's own business means to concern oneself only with and not interfere in others. To play false. To play false means deceive or betray. To turn a deaf ear to. To turn a deaf ear to means refuse to listen. To be caught red-handed. To be caught red-handed means in the act of doing something wrong. To be in a fix. To be in a fix means in a difficult situation. Next is to be at sixes and sevens. To be at sixes and sevens means in a state of total confusion or disarray. To be at one's beck and call. To be at one's beck and call means always having to be ready to obey someone's order immediately. So this is all about this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.